Rosati Specialties has always been honest to what we do here. It shows in our work and it elevates who we are and the products that we put out into the world. We finish anything in the industry across the board, from flat panel finishing, trim molding, doors, door jambs, cabinets, tabletops, you name it, we can do it. We just recently purchased a double head Heesemann Wide Belt Sander. It's incredible to see how a single machine can completely take away a lot of pitfalls or defects that we used to run into. So we've always found that we've come back to the Heesemann brand. Currently, Rosati Specialties has a couple Heesemanns now that are 15 years old, and they still to this day are producing at a high level, high quality. So I think that we keep a lot of pride in what we do, not only in our panels, but our machinery. They always say that you're only as good as your sanding. So in that regards, we always want the best sanding. So we choose Stiles machinery. Using the Venjakob spray system has allowed us to take processes that would take normally days in our wood finishing industry and transport it into a one-shot pass. So we can sand it, we can spray it, put it through the ovens, cure it, and then offload it to be ready to be packaged to send to the customer. Prior to this, we used to have to sand it by hand sometimes. Putting this automation in has really helped innovate and elevate the way that we're able to provide architectural finishing for our customers. Automating any process is going to help improve quality for what we do here. Making it easier is making it better. Working with Stiles has really been a partnership, and every single step is critical in how we use our machines to create our processes and create the finish that ends up in people's kitchens all across the United States.